is Chelsea, and for today's video, I am going to give you guys a tour of my mansion. But this tour will not be complete because I did not do the basement, because I just want the basement to be completely empty so I have space to put boxes and some old stuff. Okay, so no further ado, let's start. So in the front door of the house, I have a mail here. And I also have my address here. It says Riverside number 2. So that's my address. So if you enter our house, this is going to be the first area you will be in. It is quite empty, but I like how it is. And I apologize if you look at the top, there is some rope there that you're supposed to hang up pictures. But the camera that I ordered didn't come in yet, so I don't have any pictures to hang up there, so it is empty. And I love this fireplace. It is custom made. I asked it to be golden and white. Okay, so that's basically it. And my favorite part in this area is this little light in here at the top, because if it lights up, it focuses on the painting that I got from our beach house. Okay, that's it for the first area. Let's now head on to the elevator. Okay, in this elevator area, I have this where we could hang our coats, or we could put our shoes and bags if we don't want to carry them. And I have a table here where we put the items that we don't use that much but we want to display it. I have this stethoscope I got from our old beach house also. I got a mirror here so we could look before we go out. And I added the extras at the bottom part so it would not look that empty. And my favorite part in this area is this flowers up here. If you look at the top of the elevator, it is really cute and it enhances the look of the elevator. Okay, let's now move on to the living room. Hey, I'm doing a tour, get out! Okay, so this is our living room. This is where we mostly hang out because it is a space for everyone, and there's a lot of TV shows. And in this area where we put our books, newspapers, and mails that we don't want to put in the trash. I have a 3 big lights up here, which is my favorite part in the living room. I have a portrait of a cat over here. And that's it for our living room. Now head in the pantry and the dining room. So the pantry and the dining room shares because the pantry is in the wall that is extended in here. So this is where we keep snacks and my seasonings. So in the dining room, I only bought 4 chairs, but I'm thinking of buying more chairs, and I will be buying a baby chair because I'm pregnant. My bump isn't shown yet because I am only 3 months pregnant. So the comment section is open so you guys could comment baby name ideas. And I'll be doing a gender reveal soon. Make sure you are subscribed so you'll be updated if I post a gender reveal. Okay, and that's it for our pantry and dining room. Move on to the kitchen. The kitchen is also quite empty because I didn't have the time to buy some appliances, but soon I will do another house tour and I'll show you guys all the appliances and foods that I have in my kitchen. So my kitchen color is mostly blue, white, golden, and black. And this is it for my kitchen. It is my favorite part of the house. And after the kitchen, why don't we move on to the backyard? So this is what the backyard looks like. I have a grill on the side and a small fridge, so we don't have to run to the main kitchen just to get some meats. And I don't want to mix the outside food with the inside food, if you know what I mean. Doing picnics here in my backyard is so perfect, and also camping because the atmosphere in my backyard is so clean and refreshing because I live in a village full of trees and my village is near the beach. That's where my beach house located in. I also have lots of table here in my backyard because as a person who loves nature, I would like to eat dinner outside too. I will be posting the second part on the same channel, so check out my page and watch the other part.